Hello everyone, here's a good magic trick tutorial if you're just starting out in magic or if you're just starting out in spelling. You know, this has always been a fan of spelling bee, so maybe we can have the cards help us maybe learn how to spell the different cards, okay? So I'm just gonna use 13 cards for this trick and I'll just use all the spades. So I'll just go through the deck and find all the spades, and there's a total of 13. It'd be ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, okay? So we'll just use all 13 spades for this trick. Take them out, got one club in there, and just put the other cards aside. Now, the cards can actually help you learn how to spell. If you're not sure on how to spell certain cards or certain numbers, the cards will actually tell you if you're correct or not. So some of these I'm going to spell correctly, and some I will spell incorrectly to show you that the cards can be very powerful in helping you learn how to spell. So the first card in a run of cards would be the ace. So if I spell out ace, A, C, E, the card should give me the ace. The second card would be the 2. If I spell out 2, T, W, O, the card should give me a 2. Now, if the next card is 3, but I accidentally misspell the card, let's see, like T, R, H, E, E, the cards will tell me that I am incorrect by giving me another card besides the 3. But if I spell the 3 correctly, T, H, R, E, E, the cards should tell me that I'm correct. Now, the next card's a 4, F, O, U, R. They should give me a 4. The next card's a 5, F, I, V, R. Oh wait, that's misspelled, so they shouldn't give me a 5, but if I spell it correctly, F, I, V, E, I should come up with a 5. 6 would be the next card, S, I, X, and I should get a 6. 7, S, E, B as in boy, E, N. Wait, there's no B as in boy in 7, so it would give me an incorrect card. But if I spell it correctly, S, E, V, E, N, I get a 7. 8, very easy to spell, E, I, G, H, T. I should get an 8. 9, very easy to spell too, N, I, M as in Michael, E. Wait, no, there's no M as in Michael in 9. That's why it gave me a wrong card. N as in Nancy, I, N as in Nancy, E, N-I-N-E gives me 9. 10, T, E, N, easy 3-letter word. I get a 10. Jack, J, A, C, Q. Wait, there's no Q in Jack, incorrect. J, A, C, K, I should get a Jack. And now Queen, Q, U, E, E, N. Hopefully there's the Queen. And then finally K, I, N, G, and there's the King. And that's spelling bee, and it's very easy to do, especially if you're just starting off in magic. But before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this channel and video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to become a channel member, you can do that all through YouTube as well. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, spelling bee. Now for the tutorial. It's a deck stack, but you're only stacking 13 cards. So you need to get one set of 13 cards of all suit. And it doesn't really have to be all one suit, but it does help with this trick because you can just pull out one suit and you're all set to go. If you're gonna do like hearts, clubs, diamond, you know, spread up the suits because you wanna show your deck is not really set up, then you're gonna have to remember, you know, every other card, and it takes a little bit long. So the easiest way to do it is to do 13 cards, one suit, and in this order, from top to bottom, because this is gonna be the top card on the deck when you start. You have Queen, Jack, 10, Ace, 6, 9, 3, 2, King, 8, 7, 5, 4. Okay, that's the order for the way that I did it, because you're gonna, you know, say you're gonna misspell words and you're gonna spell some correctly. Okay, and the misspelling just kind of keeps the spectator engaged in this trick. So screenshot this if you want. This is the order that you have. So you have your cards in this order, pick them up, turn them over, place them on top of just a regular deck of cards, so they're in no particular order up into the top 13 cards. Now, because you have them in this order, you can shuffle them one time with a riffle shuffle, and the cards will maintain their order as long as you cut the deck when you shuffle about halfway down. If you cut more than halfway down, then you might mix up the order. So you have one shuffle in you, so you just shuffle the cards one time, showing that you've kind of mixed up the cards, but the spades are in exactly the same order as they need to be. So now you go through the cards and pull out the suit that you've chosen, which is the spades, and we'll pull out all 13 of the spades, and make sure you get all 13, because if you don't, the trick won't work. And while you're doing this, you can explain how you're a fan of spelling bees. You just learned how to spell, whatever your pattern may be, but make sure you get 4 on the bottom and queen is on the top, and kind of double check if you want that you have 13 cards. So we have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? So all the spades in this order, and they're still in the original setup order: queen, jack, 10, ace, 6, 9, 3, 2, king, 8, 7, 5, 4, okay? So now you say you're gonna spell some cards correctly and some cards incorrectly. The first 2 cards are just normal. You spell out ace, and you take the top card, put it on the bottom after each letter. So that's A, okay, repeat C, and then E, and then you'll come up with the ace. Now the second one is 2, T, W, O, and you get the 2. Now the third one you have to misspell, because if you spell it correctly, you're not gonna get the 3. So you have to misspell it, just some way to misspell 3. I did T, R, H, E, E, using the same amount of letters that are in 3, and then you come up with the queen, and then say, oh, I misspelled it, the cards told me wrong, so now you spell it correctly, okay? 3, T, H, R, E, E, you'll get the 3. The 4 is just F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R, and now you get the 4. Now, because you set up the way that I set it up, every odd card from the 3 on, so 5, 7, 9, and then the jack, because jack is equivalent to 11, but you don't use 11, you use jack as what. Those are all the ones that you're going to want to misspell. So the odd ones after 3. So 3, 5, 7, 9, and jack. Okay, those are the ones you misspell. So we're at 5. So we have to misspell 5 in order to get the wrong card, but we're using the same amount of letters as in 5. So I just go F, I, and you can say B as in boy, E, because you're misspelling 5. It gives you a wrong card. Now you spell it correctly, F, I, V, E. It'll give you the 5. Repeat, S, I, X. You spell 6 correctly because it's an even card. Now it's an odd card is 7. Misspell 7, S-E-V-E-R. Make it kind of funny, like why would you put an R at the end of 7? Obviously that's wrong. Spell it correctly, S-E-V-E-N, and you're just repeating this for the entire amount of cards here. So 8 is even card, so you're spelling it correctly, E-I-G-H-T, and you'll get an 8. 9 is an odd card, spell it incorrectly, N-I, and R again if you want to. You'll get a wrong card, then you spell it correctly, N-I-N-E, you'll get the 9. 10 is correct, T-E-N, and then the last one is jack, which is the last odd card, and I just put a Q on there, so I just go J-A-C-Q. No, that's not a jack. J-A-C-K. Boom, you got the jack, and then queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen, and then finally K-I-N-G. One more card is a king. And that's spelling bee. It's really easy to do. It's just a little bit of setup, one shuffle, and you're good to go once you've removed all these in the same order that you put them in the deck, okay? Let me know what you think, and I appreciate it, and it's a really good beginner card trick, and I hope you have fun with it, enjoy, and until next time.